You've probably heard some folks say that tornadoes can't occur in the mountains, but let's talk about this misconception and why this is not the case. There are numerous factors that influence tornado genesis. First, dealing with the terrain. And the terrain absolutely does influence tornadoes and impact them. In fact, there have been numerous studies done on how terrain impacts tornadoes. Number one, terrain causes the vortex to change direction, speed, and size as it moves over hills and valleys. Another thing it points to is the strongest horizontal winds occur between the hills, while upward motions are more intense during ascent. And overall, the study just highlights how complex terrain can be and how it significantly impacts tornadoes. The terrain also impacts the weather conditions in many locations, especially in the mountain areas. The unsaturated air drops approximately 5.5 degrees Fahrenheit for every 1,000 feet in altitude. So the higher in elevation generally correlates with the cooler temperatures and lower moisture levels. Winds are also impacted. But ultimately, it's not just the terrain that affects the chance of a tornado in the mountains. It's also the weather conditions. The chance for a tornado to develop is largely based on weather components that affect supercell storm development. One of the easiest ways to remember the ingredients needed for severe storms is the acronym SLIN, which just stands for shear, lift, instability, and moisture. Once all the ingredients are in place for severe storms, there's a better chance for tornado genesis.